Hi guys, we are at CES 2014. This is Varun from Phone Arena, and we are with Frank from LG, who has the curved phone. LG announced a curved phone, which we already have seen, but the first time it's entering the US market, the LG G Flex. And also you're standing in front of LG's first 105-inch curved TV as well. So let's ask Frank about the G Flex.
Well, you know what? That's a very good analogy. You now have pretty much high definition OLED TV that can go in your pocket at 6 inches. You're looking at the world's first curved, flexible smartphone, and this is really an exciting time for us right now because it's really giving you a sense of what the future, the near future, is going to be like when it comes to smartphone. Basically designed to make it easier to hold, the audio quality improves, and more importantly, of course, the viewing experience.
So curved, so I think Samsung did a curved phone but was not flexible. So I think LG is the first handset maker to have like a real flexible curved device in the market.
Right.
So how does it feel like, and what was the challenges you faced in getting it to the market?
Well, obviously, as I shared, I mean, you could have a curved device. The problem is the battery, right? The module, the display module, the picture itself, and of course the battery, they also need to be flexible to some extent, also curved. And so that was really at the heart. You know, this design is not just on the interior. On the interior is where really we had the innovations come together. A lot of excitement because there's some practical elements to this phone, but it also gives you reasons to be excited about phones again. When was the last time we got excited about a phone? This is it.
Yeah, I think it's pretty innovative as a product. You can actually kind of flex it, and also you can put it in your pocket, and it feels like part of your body because you kind of the curve goes on along your pants. You don't have to worry about breaking it, considering it's a large screen device.
Right.
And I think even spec-wise, it's pretty much high-end.
Oh yeah, I mean, this is powered by the Snapdragon 800 processors, the fastest one on the market right now. So that really, you got the horsepower to drive the visuals. You get an incredible, gaming and video experience. But to your point, it's the fact that it is flexible. It means that it's a little more durable because it's pliable. It can adjust, right? And definitely pocketability, whether in your jacket, your front pocket, or your rear, it conforms. So again, it's a lot more comfortable and it makes sense. So ergonomics is a big deal.
And you said durable, so this also has something you said about the like anti-scratch or self-healing features.
Right. Yeah, we partnered with the automotive industry. They're the first that really pioneered in that type of polymer. It's a special resin. The daily wear and tear, right? Like when you put it in your pocket and you got coins in there, and sometimes you get a little ghosting from all the swirls. Well, those will repair itself. Those will go away. Of course, within reason. I mean, if you really put a gash into it, if you take the material, it's not going to heal, right? But definitely for daily use, you're going to be able to keep the cosmetics and the aesthetics that you enjoyed when you first bought the phone.
And when's it coming out in the US, and which other countries it's available currently?
Yeah, right now, I mean, you had the launch in Korea, Hong Kong, and Taiwan is coming up, and the different markets as well. And as I shared, in the first quarter of this year, you're going to see this launch in the US with Sprint, T-Mobile, and AT&T.
All right, good luck with that. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.